Trust is the foundation of every relationship. Okay, sometimes when it's broken, it's quite difficult to fix up the relationship. But I tell you what, you can always rebuild the trust that you broke. Today, I'll be sharing with you some tips on how you can rebuild the trust when it's lost between you and your partner. My name is Celyn, and you're welcome to my channel. For today, like I said earlier on, we'll be talking about how to rebuild your trust in a relationship. In as much as people think that it's over for them when they have trust issues in their relationship, I tell you what, no, you can actually rebuild that trust. That's if you are willing to. If you are not willing to, it's not going to work. So, for the first step that I'm going to share with you is that first identify what caused the trust issue. Okay, so what did you do? Is it that you lied? Did you cheat? Did you steal? What did you do? Because I believe that when you're able to identify the cause of the trust issue, then it will be really, really easy to solve it. So if you lied, and that was the foundation of the trust being broken, then at least you can decide not to lie to your partner again. And make sure you stick to your words. Don't just say it. Like, I know that when a partner cheats in a relationship, the person will be like, oh, I'm not going to cheat again. I promise. I love you from heaven to earth and all that. Are you actually going to stick to your words? This time, kindly do, or else your relationship is not going to stand. And the next tip I'll be sharing with you is that when you are the cause of the trust being broken, try to take up the responsibility. Admit your faults. Admit that you actually did what you did and apologize for it. Because if you don't do that, the relationship is not going to stand. It's like you cheating and being caught red handed, and you are still saying that you didn't cheat when there's evidence is right before you. So admit that you actually cheated or you made that mistake and ask for forgiveness from your partner. Okay, and please, as a partner, to sometimes try to be open to forgiveness. Like, try and understand the situation and also forgive that person. That's if you want the relationship to work out. If it's the first time, you can at least try and forgive that person. But if it has happened over and over again, maybe you would like to walk away, because meaning the person doesn't even respect you enough. Okay, so yeah, that's what I would say. Admit the mistake, admit your fault, and then apologize. And the other who has been offended, try and also make amends. The last thing I'll share with you is that you need to be transparent. Be as honest as possible. When you have some opinions on certain issues, try to voice out to your partner. Make sure you are clear enough. And when your partner is asking you questions, please answer them truthfully, because you might not want him to find the truth later after you have lied. If you do that, I don't think that you can rebuild the trust, because it will be multiple offense and it will be quite difficult for your partner to actually forgive you. So, after making the first mistake, second or third, try to be transparent, be open, and be honest. And I'm sure it can help you rebuild the trust that your partner lost in you. So, what I'll leave with you is that rebuilding trust really takes time and effort. You need to be willing to do this together. That's both of you have to be ready to work things out. And so, with understanding, with patience and effort, make sure you're not committing the same mistakes that you did. Because if you do, I'm not sure you'll be able to get your relationship back on track. So, yeah, I hope you learned something. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment.